is Kathy Strand. I am the owner of Finally Pain Free. We're in 706 2nd Street in Marble Falls, Texas. Our phone number is 512-917-8917. You'll find us on the web at finallypainfreetx.com. I want to tell you what we do at Finally Pain Free. We sell a medical device that treats pain with all types of sound waves, 1 million frequencies. It's the only device like it on the market. You can't find anything that's even similar to it. We use TENS technology, transcutaneous electrode nerve stimulator. We were FDA cleared in 2007 as a TENS device, but I promise you, this is not like any other TENS device you've ever seen. This rotates frequencies automatically every 3 minutes, and we put a program in, 900 programs, for a nerve, a bone, of a joint, a carpal tunnel, migraine headaches, back pain, neck pain, knee pain. 900 programs. There's another 100 programs. You can put some of your own individual frequencies to use, or individual programs to use. We are world approved, and we can ship this device anywhere in the world. In fact, it travels really easily. It is portable. It comes in a small case, and you'll find it's easily to put on a plane with you or ship across the world. This treats all types of pain. It is approved for all types of pain. So therefore, we get results with things that you may feel like that a typical TENS will not give you relief. Our TENS device is a little bit different from anything you've ever seen in that we have all these frequencies that rotate, and specific frequencies work on specific cells. We're actually working on the cellular level on many of the programs. So we don't just give maybe 3 frequencies. We have a large variety that rotates back and forth. We just put one program in and it rotates the frequencies every 3 minutes. Now we can change the length of time of those frequencies, but we like to treat 3 minutes on each frequency if possible. We don't see your body becoming immune to it or resistant to it like you will a typical TENS device. Also, you don't get the bite of a typical TENS device. We use a square waveform, where a typical TENS or E-stim or other modalities will use a spike waveform. You can actually burn or get a bite from it. You'll also see the effectiveness so much more than you've ever seen before. So if you think you've tried a TENS device and it didn't work for you, this is not what we are. We also have the ability to run microcurrent in it and interferential, just terms we use for a different way of delivering frequencies. We also have some long pads, carbon rubber pads, and these can be used over and over. I probably used my demo pads probably 16,000 times. We have small pads as well to isolate individual areas. We will put our long pads under our feet and treat anything below our waist. We also have cylinders, and we hold these in your hands, or you can treat anything above your waist. I will treat a migraine headache through my hands like this. One of the other thing that's very different from a typical TENS, it's all about accuracy. Our radio frequencies, or our sound waves, are to 100ths of a hertz. If you miss the cell level with the right frequency, you miss the whole treatment. Ours are specific with accuracy. The other thing is, when you are typically using a TENS device and it gets where it doesn't work anymore, ours will continue to work. In fact, you'll see our patients probably 10 years later getting the same kind of relief that they get from this device. We have 5 different waveforms, and we use milliamps. But when we use when we use to microcurrent, it goes to microamps. I will challenge the results of this device for anything else that you see on the market that uses some type of energy. We compare it to E-stim and ultrasound and lasers and all different types of modalities. And ours, I will tell you that I can take a kid off of an E-stim unit that can't walk 5 feet, and you watch what we will do in 10 minutes on that patient. It increases the circulation, decreases the inflammation, works on the ATP production, works on the energy cycle of your cells. It also increases endorphins, but let me tell you, there is some ability to heal in this as well as just give pain relief on working on the gate control theory. The people that own this will be anybody, a doctor can own this and use it and charge for it in his office. A patient can own it as a prescription in the United States, although most places in the world does not require a prescription. The other person that can own it is a distributor. And this is an awesome business opportunity for those people that want to have some additional income or a well-paying job. There are some side effects of this device, and they are, you can feel a little nauseated at the time of the treatment, or a little flu-like a few hours later, maybe even a little headache, or possibly even sore later on or the next day. We only see someone have negative side effects probably the first time. This is a very heavy detoxifier, and you can release toxins, and therefore we ask you to drink a lot of water to get those toxins out of your body. It's kind of like working out at the gym and being sore the next day. Don't give up on it. You're going to be amazed at what you see this device do. As doctors can be involved in this, they can give patients treatments, and you can save programs with this device. We have a little microchip in the back of this device, and it will save the program, and a doctor or an aide can come back and put this in later as well. This is made to be a modular unit. Therefore, starting in about 2014, you'll see a laser and some other things possibly be attached to this. You already own the base unit. You can just purchase the attachments, any of them that you would like to have. I think you're really going to like the things that they're going to add to this along the way. This keeps you from having to buy something new every time a new product comes out. It has some positive side effects as well. First of all, pain relief is really, really great. You're going to like it the first time, and it has a huge wow factor. I would say 99.9% of the people will get some immediate effects in the first 15 minutes I treat them. But if you own it in your home and you're able to use it more often, if you'll use it kind of close together, maybe twice a day for the first 3 or 4 days, then maybe once a day, then every other day, then once a week, and so forth, you're going to see the accumulation of the frequencies of the treatments get drastically more improved. You'll do better after the 3rd treatment. You and I are going to be best friends in about 10 treatments, because you're going to like what happens to you as you see this work. We have a 30-day return policy. If you're dissatisfied, you're going to get to send this device back to us. There is a restock fee for that, but I think you'll really like the results. I don't think you'll be sending it back. I think you're going to be really impressed. It is basically built in Phoenix, Arizona. So if you were to return the device, you get it as soon as they return the device, you'll get a refund for it. There is a 3-year warranty, like I said. You just ship that device back, and just that day, they'll send you a new device. There is a finance opportunity for this device, and the device is $34.95, $3,495. But there is a finance option as well. You can call and talk to me at any time about the finance options. I think that you'll like the possibility of paying as little as $100 a month with no interest. You'll spend that much at a chiropractor's office or taking the pain medicines. In fact, I expect I'll have you off your pain medicines in the first month that you're using this device. I think you're going to like what it will do. It has 1,000,000 frequencies, 0.01 up to 10,000 hertz. A typical TENS device is going to have some 2 or 3 lower frequencies working on muscles, but we have such a wide range of frequency, it's going to do different with different nerves and bones and tissues and tendons and so forth. So, once again, please call me if you have any questions. We look forward to working with you on this device, and stay tuned. We're going to do some training in the next videos.